Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. Extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, June the 11th, 2024. 7 extra puzzles we have here. The first one is the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. It's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles, so it will be total of 7 puzzles. Well, the 3 star Sudoku. And we'll start with this one. Will be number 8698. 8698. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. 31 printed digits. Shocking. 31. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 6 digits more. Cannot be a 3 stars. Should be 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle, I need 40, maybe 30 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 should be here. So the 1 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. I hate to split those numbers outside a big square. The chance to making an error will be higher. Anyway, let me continue. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in the first row, so no 7, 8 in this box. 7, 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for number 2. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left with 5 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in the last column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. One number, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. No. We have a 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this last row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, let me see. Let me see. 1, 6, and I need a 4 in this row, 4 in that row, last row. So in the row between, the only place left for 4, should be there. So here, 1 and a 6 are left. And 3 and the 6 are left. Okay. Let me go up. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above, below. The only place left is 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left, the 4, 8 should be there. Alright, and now, do we have all the 8s? Nope. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column. Only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And then need a 5 here. Well, in this row, we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this row should be there. Then. I need a 3 here. Come on, I need... Where are the 3s? I need a 2 here. I need a 2 there, here. Okay, and now, how about the 9? And then, need a 9 here. Come on, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 and 3. 1, 3, and the 6. I need a 6. 1, 6. 3, 6. 3, 6. 1, 6. 3, 1. Come on, come on. Well, we have a pair here. These 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, let me mark those 1 and 3. Here, the same numbers. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3 are missing in this row. So now we have a pair in this column. So 1 is left in the middle column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1, 3, and the 9 is missing. Need a 9 here. Okay. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. Then yeah, the 1 and the 6. Let me think. 1 and the 9 are missing here. Yeah, 1 and 9. Well, these need a 3 here. Need a 2 here. And I need a 6. Well, 9 there. Come on, you need a 1 and a 6. This is taking too long. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. How about the 9? 4, 5, 7, 8, 4, 7. 6, 2. Must be a hidden number here somewhere. Okay. These two missing numbers in the first row are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9, okay. These two missing numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Yeah. You need a 9 in this big square. You have a 9 in the middle column, so the 9 could be here, could be there. And I need a 9 there in this row. 9, 3, 5. 9, 3, 5 are missing in this row. We have a 5 here, so 9. And a 3. 9, 3, 5. 3, 5, okay. Come on, come on, come on. 2 in this column. 2 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places level 2. Could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places level 2. Could be here, could be there. I need a 6 here. I need a 3 here. Well, we need a 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3, 2, and I need a 6 here. 3, 2, 6. 3 and a 6. Ah, we have a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. Can be a 5. So it should be a 9 here. Well, well, well. So here should be the 3 and a 5. Okay. So here 1 and a 3 on left. 1 and a 3, the 3 there. 3, 6, and the 1. We have a 3 here, so the 1 and the 6 are left. 1, 6, 3, 3, 3, 3. Interesting. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Come on, come on. Oh wait, 1 box left in this column for number 1. 1 is missing here. 1, 2, 3, yes. 1. Could be a 1 here, or 1. Could be a 1 there also. Could be a 1 there. 1, 1, 1, yes. Eliminated a 9. 9 should be here. 9, 9, need a 9 there. 9, 9, need a 9 here or there. 3, 6, and the 2. 3, 6, and the 2. We have a 3 here. The 2 and the 6. Alright. 1, 6, 3, and the 2. 3, 6, and the 2. 3, 6, and the 2. We have 3, so the 2 and the 6 are left. Ay, 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 ay. The hard part, yeah. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 1 and a 6. 3, 6, and 1, 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 6. We need a 9 in this row. 9 could be here, could be there. Middle row. Here we have a 9 there, 9. The 7 is already used. How about the 6? 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Wow. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. We have a 2 here, so the 6 and the 9. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. We have a 3 here, so the 2 and 6 on the left. 2 and 6. 3, 2, and 6 on left. 1, 3. It's a mess. 1. No 1 here. We have a 1 already, so this box will be a 3. This box will be a 1. 1 or 6. We have a 1 here. This box will be a 6. This box will be a 3 then. 3, 3, 3, 1, 1, 1. This box should be a 6, 6, 6, 6. Wait, 1. This box should be a 6 then. 1 or 3. This box should be a 3 then. This box should be a 1 then. This box should be a 3 or 6. We have a 3. This box should be a 6. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 here. This should be the 3. This box should be a 2. 3 and a 5. Nope, need to wait. 3 and a 5. One box left for the number 2. So the 6 and a 9 are left. 1 or 3. We have a 3 and this should be the 1. 3, 5 and a 9. Here can be 5. This should be the 5. How about the 3? 3 and a 5. Oh, we have a 6 here. 9 or 6. This should be a 9 then. 2 and a 6. 6, 6, 6. 9, 9. Here, shoot. This can be 9. We have a 9 here. So this box should be a 9. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here. So this box should be a 3. This box should be a 5. This box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. 16 minutes. Wow. Well, I'm disappointed. 3 stars. No, let me give this 2 stars. Having troubles with this one. Although it has a lot of numbers. 31. Yeah, at the end, I have troubles. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I will do the thing. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye. For now.